Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe at home in this epidemic of COVID-19. Today I am going to teach you writing skill and name of our topic is essay writing. Now let us read and understand how to write an essay. An essay is generally divided into three parts: introduction, body and conclusion. The introduction should give the reader an idea about the topic and what aspects of the topic you will deal with in the body. Since it is not an extensive writing skill like a book, you need to make your ideas come out to a clear yet concise manner. Essays should give a reader the concept about the topic and what aspect the topic you will deal with, the body that it gives. It is not an extensive writing. Extensive writing means it is an intensive. Now let me tell you the difference between intensive and extensive. Extensive means you write for your own enjoyment, and intensive means when you are given something to write by your teacher or somebody which you have to do, the thing which you have to write. It is not a extensive writing. Like book, you need to make your ideas come out in a clear yet concise manner. So you need to make your ideas clear. The body of the essay needs to be very well planned. Now the body of the essay should be well planned. You should plan nicely the body of the essay. Each point has to be developed in well-defined paragraphs. Each point has to be developed, has to be grown in well-defined paragraph. The paragraph should not look alienated. The paragraph should not look alienated means should not be deleted, but flow smoothly from one point to the another. But it will flow smoothly from one point to another. The body should have 2-3 paragraphs. The body should be written in 2 or 3 paragraphs. The conclusion should summarize your main ideas. Now how to write conclusion? It should summarize your main ideas. What is your main idea? That should be summarized. It should include concluding opinion or make suggestions for further consideration. It should include concluding opinion. How to conclude that opinion you should give or make suggestion, make your suggestion for further consideration. Further consideration means for further thought. For further thought you should make your suggestion. Now I am showing you example how to write an essay. Here an essay on my hobby is written. You see this first paragraph is introduction. Here it has been introduced about my hobby, and then this is body, and body is written in 3 paragraphs. 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraphs. Body is written in 3 paragraphs. Then after that it has been concluded. It is the way of writing essay. You can write body in 2 paragraphs also, but here it is written in 3 paragraphs, and then here it has been concluded. I hope all of you have understood how to write an essay. Thank you.